Hello, my name is Alvin Pratama from class 91C25 and majoring System Information. Here, I will explain about the present perfect tense. When to use present perfect tense? 1. We use the perfect present tense to talk about experience. It is important if we have done it in our lives or not. It is not important when we did it. Example, I have been abroad 2 times. Anna has never broken a leg. Have you never eaten sushi? Tips, we often use never and ever with the present perfect tense to talk about experience. And 3, we also use the present perfect tense to talk about a past action that has the result in the present. For example, I have lost my wallet, or I don't have it now. Jimmy has gone to South America. Equal, he isn't here now. And have you finished your homework? Is your homework already? Tips, we often use just, already, and yet with the present perfect tense for an action in the past with the result in the present. How to form present perfect tense? We make the present perfect tense with the correct form of the auxiliary verb have or have and has, and the third form past participle of the male verb. To form the past participle of the regular verbs, we add it to the infinitive. Example, I have worked as a secretary for 2 years. Have you ever visited to Disneyland? The film hasn't started yet. Tips, you may want to visit the English irregularly verbs. Go to learn how we form the past simple, second form, and past participle of some English verbs. I've been to Moscow. You've finished the exercises. He's just gone home. She's already had a holiday this year. It's broken. We've seen this film before. They've bought a new car. Present perfect negative sentence. I haven't been abroad yet. You haven't answered my question. He hasn't been home for 5 years. She hasn't found a new job. It hasn't finished yet. We haven't worked on farm. They haven't seen each other for age. Present perfect yes or no question. Have I ever done it before? Have you been to the cinema recently? Has he worked here long? Has she already sent the text? Has it ever been in crash? Have we done it right? Have they gone home yet? Present perfect information question. What have I done? How long have you been here? How many times has he been married? What country has she visited? Where has it been? How long have we been together? Where have they worked? Already and yet. Already means that something happened earlier and then experience with the present perfect already usually goes after have or has before the main verb. Example, we've already had our breakfast. When are you going to do your homework? But I've already done it. Do you want a cup of coffee? No, thanks, I've already had one. Yet means that something that we expect has happened or hasn't happened. We usually put it at the end of a sentence. Example, has the post arrived yet? Have you done your homework? Not yet. Haven't you got ready yet? Look at the time. For science, we use present perfect tense to talk about action which started in the past and continues up to the present. We use for with a period of time, for example, a few days, half an hour, 2 years. We use since with the time when the action started. For example, last year, June 8, I met you. Example, I have had this computer for about a year. How long have you been at this school? I haven't seen Julia since September. Thank you.
Excuse me, might I have your time?
Yes, how can I help you?
Can you show me the fastest way to get to the train station,
You
please?
can take a taxi or bus from the bus stop.
Okay, where should I go from there?
If you take a taxi, you can get off right at the train station. Just ask the driver to go to Grand City train station.
How to go there by a bus?
Just take a bus number 003 and get off at Grand City train station bus stop.
Is it far from the bus stop?
No, it's pretty near from there. The bus stop is around 200 meters from the station.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.